Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too.
What are you gonna do? You're on camera! You're on camera, buddy! Watch what you do! Got your fucking plate! I love you! Go f*** yourself! Whatever.
Or call 630-519-1899. Precision today, and we'll jump on it. Yeah, you know when. Today.
Wow. This lady likes hitting people. What the?
He's using hand signals like I remember what they mean. You could have pulled over. You f*** off, asshole.
Oh my God.
What they found out, and we want to see, basically your side of the story and see where it, fits in with their investigation. You seem like a pretty honest guy.
I wish I could get that thing, because they were bought into a lot of weird ass shit. Oh! Wow. Clip it! Ah, clip it! Clip it! Yeah! Yes! I can do it! I did it!
Check eligibility and schedule your RSV vaccine at vaxassist.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
Boost Mobile built America's newest 5G network and made it easier than ever to switch.
RSV vaccine at vaxassist.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
Boost Mobile built America's newest 5G and made it easier than ever to switch. And when you do, you can get a free Galaxy A25 5G. Need to hook up the whole family? Well,
What you doing?
It's all over the lane for some reason. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Pay stubs for people ready. Well, I can go on my phone, pull up my last pay stub and see what the year to date. Oh Lord, they just had a wreck. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus.
Where are you?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.